Hi guys, how are you today? This is Z Berman again in Tip of the Week for Revit. And today we're going to talk about custom material library. So basically, one of the big benefits of this feature is that you can, I'm sure every project has a lot of materials that you use, and there's always in lots and lots of projects common materials that you use. So it would be great to have a library of those and that you can have access also in the family environment and also in the project environment. And actually to open it also in the project, also in the family, and have that flexibility. So for that, we need the custom material library. So this is what I'm going to show you today. Just before I start, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, great. Let's get to it. So, I'm here in my Project Fragrance store, and I'm going to create now a new library. So what I do, a material library, a custom material. I'm going to go here to Manage, I'm going to go here to Materials, and the material browser opens up. So what we have here, down here, is something that's called Home, and we're gonna click that to expand that, okay? And then you see here we have favorites and we have AEC. What we want to do is basically come down here. You see here where it says create open that little menu, and then it says open existing library or create new library. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new library. So we're going to create a new library, and automatically it's going to it's asking us where to save it. So we'll just do desktop for now. I'm going to call it my materials. Save it over there. Okay, and you can see now we are, let me just expand that a bit here that you can see. My materials, you see it's selected, okay? Let me just go again here, my materials, it's selected. And now we can actually bring in materials to this library branch. So how do we do that? Let's go here, let's say to, let's say, go up down here. I'm going to go here, let's say we have here this Hugo Boss night. I'll go here to appearance. Okay, don't have to go here to appearance, but as long as Hugo Boss night, let's say, is selected, and then I'm just going to drag it. Can you see how it's dragging? Dragging it in here, and it's going to be here in the library. Let me just take one more thing. Let's say Hugo Boss silver. Okay, and let's just also drag it, and you can see we have them now in the library. Okay, that's great. Now they're here in the library. Now what we can do now is, you see here it says release library. We go like that, release library. Okay, and they're now here in the library. Great. Now, how do we actually apply these textures also in a family and also in a project? So first of all, let me just go here, okay, and okay, great. Now let me open a new project. Okay, I'm going to go here to File, New. I'm going to go here to Project. Just going to have here my default. Let's just go here to Default Template, Architectural Template. Let me just do okay. Okay, let me just create quickly, and go here to component, just a simple extrusion here in model in place. Let me just, we'll call that, let's say, furniture. Go here, okay, furniture 1. Okay, I'm just going to create a quick extrusion and apply a material to that. So I basically went in here, I'm creating the extrusion. It's going to be a rectangular, just like a box. The depth 250. Okay, I'm just going to go like that, close it, and then finish that there. Before I finish it, let me just give it a, well, you know what, let me just go like that. We finish it. Okay, now we have a box. Let's just look at that in 3D. Finish it. Okay. Okay, let me just go again now here to edit in place. click on it again, and you see here it's a by category. Now if I want here in this project, I want to apply that material that we put in the library material. Again, I'm going to go here to manage, I'm going to go to materials, and then I'm going to go here to home, and you can see already we have here my materials. Okay, I'm going to put in this Hugo Boss Night. I'm going to put that in. Automatically you see it's already inside here, of course with the textures and everything. So it's already here in the project. I'm going to apply that, and okay. Now let me go in here. I'm going to go into the material just to see that it really works. Appearance, apply. Let me just see that it's going to, yeah. Let me just okay that here. Okay, turn on realistic, just that you can see. Can you see? Can you see it's already getting, it's of course it's a tiled view, but you get the drill. So basically we just applied from a custom, let me just finish that. We just applied from a custom material library our material. So this is, again, this could be in all of your projects. And again, you can also do this the same thing in a family. So let's say you have this material now here, like in a family, in a project, but you don't have it in a family. So even if you come in here, I'll just show you, if I'm going to go in here, edit in place, go in here again, and you're in the family editor. And I'm just going to show you, even that it's applied, but just that you can see, even here, when we're in a family environment, yeah? So you can see already the material is already here, but just that you can see, can you see here, we still have our library here. So the library will actually show in the material browser, doesn't matter if you're in a family environment, or it doesn't matter if you're in a project environment. As long as you have it here, and it's saved somewhere on your computer or like network. If it's some people, I call it my materials, you know, some folks like to call it my standard office materials, but or standard materials. And sorry, and this is basically how you can apply the materials in all of your projects and all of your families, and easy way to move them from one to each other. Yeah, that's it guys for today. So I hope you like this tip. Again, if you like this tip, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you soon.